Okay, Auburn fans, Gause Garage coming to you from Ideal Classic Cars, South Venice, Florida. And you are looking at a drop dead beautiful Auburn boat tail. We've got, as a matter of fact, there's two of them, the white and the black. Talk about Ying and the Yang of Auburns. These were incredible. Luxury, performance, hot rods of their time. Look at that design. Reminiscent of open wheel racers of their day. And here is the boat tail. And check out this white one next to it. They complement each other very well. As you can see, it's got very, very nicely done custom work on them. I'm sure original parts are in short supply. But I suppose it doesn't matter whether it's black or white, you're going to go fast and look stylish doing it on whichever one you choose. So there you have it, Auburn fans. The yin and yang of the boat tails, the white and the beautiful black. And there you have it. I'll take either one. Thank you very much. This is Gause Garage at Ideal Classic Cars, Venice, Florida. Thank you.